Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Preeti's Needle and Thread. Today we are going to learn herringbone. Herringbone is a basic stitch used for many different traditional stitches. For herringbone we require two parallel lines. So I had drawn few parallel lines. See, these are the two parallel lines. There are set of 3. Firstly we are going to start with a simple herringbone. For simple herringbone we will take out the thread from the first line and we are going to take it cross. Simply put the needle down and slightly take the needle a little back side and pull out the thread. Again I am going to go to the first line, put the needle down and to the back side. It is very easy to do. Simply we have to go cross and remove the needle back at a little distance and take the needle out. While taking a lock, we have to simply put the needle down. Now we are going to see the double herringbone. For double herringbone, we have to do first regular herringbone. Now I will be doing the regular herringbone. As I am doing it in a reverse direction, you can see I am going little bit forward. For double herringbone, we can start from either side, either from the upper side or from the lower side. Now I am going to start it from the lower side. Simply when we have the first herringbone started to the second line, we have to start it to the first line. So I am starting it to the first line. Now I have to take my needle in such a manner that my design should come in the center of these two lines. So simply I am going to go cross and put up the needle, and I have to take in consideration that the thread has to be in the center of these two lines. Again from front to back we have to take it out. Again from front to back we have to take it out. Be careful while keeping the thread. Let the thread be to the back side or it may form a loop. Don't allow the loop to form. Simply we have to fill in the half parts which are remaining to form a double herringbone. Herringbone is very important stitch as it is used in many of the stitches. While ending it up, we have to simply put the needle in a downward direction. Now I will be holding my cloth in the reverse direction. We are now going to see, so this is the herringbone, this is double herringbone. Now we are going to see reverse herringbone. For reverse herringbone, we are going to get this design to the back side, and a kind of backside design will be on the front side. But while doing the reverse herringbone, we have to take the stitches very close. Now we are not going to take it exactly to the cross, but a little bit cross, and put the needle down and take it, for reverse we are going to not go it to the cross, but we are going to do it on a same thread, same piece, and we have to pick the needle up from the downside to the another line. From here again I will put the needle down on the same line, and keeping a little distance we are going to put the needle up to the upper side. Then again from here we are going to go into the first line again. From here again to the second line, a little distance, again put the needle down and to this side. A kind of backstitch type stitches has to come on both the parallel lines, and a herringbone stitch has to come to the back side. This stitch is most probably used on a netted or a transparent cloth while doing Kashmiri stitch, especially for Kashmiri stitch. This is used for Kashmiri stitch. It is a kind of traditional stitch again. So now here I had finished with the reverse herringbone. You can check my stitch from the back side is herringbone and from the front side. If you see it properly, you can see a net over here. You can see a net over here from the back side. It looks very beautiful when you use the cloth in a netted form. And now we are going to see closed herringbone. For closed herringbone, you need to draw a small pattern. For that, I am going to take a leaf pattern. You can take any pattern you want. I am going to take a leaf pattern. Show them. So after this, we are going to start. We are going to start from the bottom side. Simply I will take the needle up, and very close I am going to just put the needle down and take it back to the same point. Now from the other side I will put the needle down a little forward and back again to the same point. Next, again a little forward and back to the previous point. And the stitches should be as close as possible. You can prepare any kind of shape while using this stitch. You can completely fill the designs with closed herringbone. As my design is in a curved pattern and the curve is to the outer side, I will insert my needle in the same manner. so that my design is not going to get disturbed. Do not pull the thread too hard and do not even keep the thread too loose. Try to take the stitches as close as possible. So here is our closed herringbone. You can do it as close as you want. So closed herringbone can also be done in a heart shape or in a oval shape, in a square shape, any kind of shape you like. Here we complete with our herringbone patterns. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.